Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. Mr. Speaker, sir, I thank the honourable member for the question and for the opportunity to respond to it. Mr. Speaker, sir, there is a lot of misconception about the purpose of the Skilled Professional Evaluation Committee, or SPEC as we call it, which was actually formed by the Registration of Skilled Professionals Act 2016. The SPEC was formed to really support Fiji's economic growth, and it's not there to displace employment for locals, Honourable Speaker, sir. The Act was, the Registration of Skilled Professionals Act was enacted, as I said, to allow for fast tracking of the process of immigration approvals and registration where required. SPEC's actually responsible for processing applications expeditiously, Honourable Speaker, sir, in sectors where Fiji needs skilled professionals. SPEC's role has been acknowledged as promoting competitive behaviour in certain professional fields, for instance, the medical profession, which previously dictated the labour market. So through the Act, we've actually created a mechanism, Honourable Speaker, to first identify the skill shortages within the rapidly developing Fijian economy, and next to expediting the process of recruiting the skills to actually bridge that gap. In the context of economic evolutions, such as the transition towards green economies, digitalization, and diversifying industries, the likes of the BPO sector, etc., and modernizing agriculture and manufacturing sectors, the Fijian labour market, Honourable Speaker, demands the availability of skilled professionals. And to this end, SPEC conducted a skills gap analysis to gather the needs across all the sectors. The consultations were with the public and the private sector entities revealed that Fiji's skills gap is a repercussion of a persistent mismatch between demand and supply in the Fijian labour market, and the years of the mass brain drain, the causes of which are very well known, sir. So in the wake of the pandemic, SPEC's function has become more critical than ever before, and skills are needed in furthering Fiji into a modern, skills-based economy to build the nation back stronger. As the economy grows, Honourable Speaker, especially in new and emerging sectors, in order to ensure that we are able to actually capitalise on the opportunities, we'll need those appropriate skills. In this regard, it's critical that these industries are able to access these skills in a timely manner. SPEC will actually play an important role in making the transition to a new and modernised economy, and continues to do so. We will be enhancing this particular platform for specialized skills to enter Fiji for a short period of time, and with the skills gap analysis, our work will be targeted and focused on ensuring that the critical sectors have the required skills. We'll continue to work closely also with the education sector to introduce new curriculum where possible to build capacity within, sir. I thank you for allowing me the opportunity to respond.